Hey everybody. All right, here we are, the day before we leave on a cruise. It is, we leave on Sunday. It is now Friday, and we are just now starting to pack, make lists, get everything done. Brian and I, full-time jobs, we've been busy. We're officially on spring break, so I'm a wreck. You know, the kids are a wreck, a mess, I should say. Laundry's on the couch, and I'm still working on even putting together some good old how we cruise stuff. We've got Brian over here trying to finish up, what are you doing, Brian? Bills and printing out
multiple kids
tags.
Softball and soccer and baseball and softball and schedules.
Yeah, I mean, other than work and cruising and vlogging, we're coaching and everything else. So, welcome to our crazy life. It is spring break. It is Easter week. It is Good Friday. We dyed eggs last night. And, hey, Katie, your head just popped up over there. Where are you? There you are. You gonna be shy? Katie, what's the one thing that we're nervous about? You gotta talk really loud because you're far away.
Easter Bunny.
Yeah, we're worried. We're nervous about the Easter Bunny because we're boarding the ship on, let's come out here into the light. We're boarding the ship on Easter Sunday. We'll be driving to Florida, which means we're driving all day Saturday. So, if anybody has any hooks, please send them a message, let them know. We'll be on the road. Cross your fingers. Anyway, we're going to continue packing. We sent the kids up to their room to make piles of stuff. I haven't made any of my lists that I always make, so I'm going to go do that now. And we will keep you posted on how we're doing. All right, so Katie, I think, may have found a solution. We got the cricket going in the background. Sorry for the noise, but Katie, what did you just do?
I'm sending the Easter Bunny a letter.
Good idea. Katie is going to drop it in the mailbox. Should get to him fairly quickly. Kevin also wrote a note, and he's going to leave it in the house so that way the bunny can, if he does come here, he'll know where we are and where to find us. Problem solved.